Nur Hidayatul Syuhada binti Muhammad Sarip Mishatri anak perempuan Esau, Nurul Balkis binti Hairul Nizam, Raja Yuhasnani Azura binti Raja Anwar, Muhammad Khairi Denia bin Khatib, Haziq Iskandar bin Muhammad Azman, Tengku Nur Irdina Marlisa binti Samsuri, Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Nazri, and Nur Azura binti Bahrudin.
Abstract. The main purpose of our group doing this task is to apply the basic subject of accounting through case study to prepare by our lecturer, Madam NORMAIZATUL AKMA binti SAIDI, for the basic subject of accounting. Our group members consisted of 9 students from different backgrounds, states, districts and courses. Despite the lack of time for us to gather and discuss, we still try to schedule meeting either face-to-face or online. In order to complete this task, we have divided each task so that it will be easier for us to complete the given task within the set time perfectly. This assignment gives us knowledge about the accounting basics required in a company or in a business. In completing this task, each group member has a responsibility and role to ensure that the task can be completed fairly and equitably. In addition, we can also create a team spirit with each other in the processing and preparation of assignment. There are 3 objectives obtained in this assignment report. The first is to analyze the data found in case study 2, while the second objective is to identify the transactions that occur in Noah's business. The final objective is to help business improve their skills and have systematic planning according to business transaction. In summary, through the assignment given by our lecturer, we have gained a lot of knowledge that we can learn about basics of accounting.
Introduction. The purpose of accounting is to provide a means of recording, reporting, summarizing, and interpreting economic data. In order to do this, an accounting system must be designed. A system designed serves the needs of users of accounting information. Once a system has been designed, reports can be issued and decisions based upon this report are made for various departments. Since accounting is used by everyone in one form or another, a good understanding of accounting principles is beneficial to all. By carrying out the task, it will be possible to ascertain whether the chosen company conform with the accounting rules and pinpoint the disparities between the two businesses. Next, choose 2 technologies that both businesses can use to prevent fraud and misrepresentation from happening. To further aid understanding, offer comments and assessment on the topics that have been presented along with pertinent data. In order to put the principle into practice, analyze the reasoning and offer logical conclusion. For instance, every hospitality company is required to audit and submit daily financial reports to a management. Each day, these companies handle hundreds of thousands of transactions. Besides that, a restaurant is required to maintain and organize record of all financial data. Their main goal is to produce a report on firm earnings. Employee and consumer confidence will rise as a result of this management style. A company with sound accounting practice may come off as more trustworthy to customers and staff, which can increase their trust and perhaps even their loyalty to the organization.
Hello, my name is Nurul Balkis binti Hairul Nizam. My metric number is H22A0581. Let me continue with general journal. A general journal entry has this component: the date of the transaction, the name of the account impacted, plus the account number where relevant, the amount to be credit and debit. I will explain about the ledger accounts. First, for capital account, total is 18,000 in debit and credit side. Second, in purchase account, the total is 45,000, which is balance for debit and credit side. Third, the total for cash account is 151,000 in debit and credit side. Fourth, for sale account, the total is 40,000, which is balance in debit and credit side. Next, the total of furniture account is 50,000 in debit and credit side. For purchase return account, the total is 2,000 in debit and credit side. Sale return account, the total is 3,000 in debit and credit side. For drawing account, the total is balance for debit and credit side, which is 3,000. Next, in salary account, the total is 5,000 for debit and credit side. For the stationery account, the total is 1,000, which is balance in debit and credit side. In loan account, the total is 13,000 for debit and credit side. Next, in interest received account, the total is 4,000 in debit and credit side. For card account, the total is 30,000, which is balance in debit and credit side. Last but not least, for Dash account, the total is 25,000 in debit and credit side. Trial balance of NOA October 31st, 2020. You can see the debit side and credit side. Start with the credit side. Capital 80,000, car 6,000, loan 12,000, interest 4,000, return purchase 2,000, and sell 40,000. For the debit side is cash 65,000, purchase 42,000, large 10,000, furniture 15,000, drawings 3,000, salary 5,000, stationery 1,000, and the last is return sale 3,000. For the total trial balance in debit and credit side is 144,000.
Hello, my name is NORMAIZATUL binti Muhammad Sarip. The statement of profit and loss Mr. Noah on 31 October 2020. Total for net sales is 37,000 ringgit. Total for gross profit is 10,400 and total for net profit is 8,400. Next, balance sheet statement for Mr. Noah on 31 October 2020. Total for fixed asset is 15,000. Total for current assets is 88,400 and total for balance sheet is 97,400.
Balance sheet statement. Fixed asset. Furniture. RM 15,000. Current assets. Cash. 65,000. Debitor. 10,000. Stock. 13400. 88400. Current liabilities. Creditor. 6,000. 82400. 97400. Equity. Capital. 80,000. Plus, net profit. 8,400. 88,400. Drawing. 3,000. 85400. Plus, fixed liabilities. Loan. 12,000. Equals 97400.
The usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. We use the income statement to deal with the income, expenses, profit, and loss of a business. It shows that income generated the business is in the line with the expenses incurred to generate that income. The income statement is a comprehensive statement known as an income statement that provides an overview of income, expenses, and expenses incurred over a specific period of time, usually a quarter or fiscal year. These records show whether a business can make a profit by increasing revenues, cutting costs, or both. The income statement is often displayed on a cash or accrual basis.
The usefulness of the balance sheet statement is the term balance sheet refers to a financial statement that report company asset, liability, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time. Balance sheet provides the basis for computing rate of return for investor and evaluation a company capital structure. We use balance sheet to evaluate the ability to pay obligation. There are several information that can be used to understand the short-term financial status of an organization. An organization can compare current assets to the current liabilities to estimate whether the organization has a sufficient fund in the short term to pay off its short-term obligation. For example, if the current asset is more than current liabilities, we can evaluate that the firm are in a good financial health.
In conclusion, using accounting principles in business is crucial since they give a clear picture of how well a company is doing. We understand how to isolate the information in the right account using the notion of accounts. Therefore, proper accounting helps to manage and monitor accounts, cash flow, and aids in evaluating business performance, which make it more beneficial to the performance of the business. Based on the data, there are additional ways to manage and keep track of the account cash flow. This is due to the fact that whether there are gains or losses, money will flow in and go out to be managed and monitored. Activities such as managing and monitoring include buying and selling. In addition, assessing a business's performance is a difficult performance task, but a crucial one for successful operations. Because the business becomes the function, it is necessary to conduct the performance evaluation business. Taking everything into account, Noah Company experienced a net loss as a result of the difficulties he encountered in operating his business. Although Noah's firm suffered numerous losses, he did make some tiny sales in a short period of time. However, Noah's business suffered a great deal of loss, and his reputation as a businessman declined. The Noah Company takes the initiative to maintain its business by selling the goods in accordance with customer preference and anything else. The Noah Company also owns assets in two different areas. Both our company assets contribute to its sound financial situation. In my view, the owner must look for ways to make the business better in order to increase profit and stability. The strategies can increase the company activities and enable it to keep operating while making a profit. The owner also ensures that purchases that are crucial to the business never fail. The owner needs to be given a lot of stock in order to benefit more. As a business owner, you must be strong to overcome a variety of challenges. Therefore, Noah Company must act for the company without giving up easy.